Assalamu alaikum. The education program of our country has been lagged behind on account of COVID-19. So our government continue the education program through the online. As a part, we continue our education program through the online. I am MD Abul Hayat, Assistant Head Teacher, Maukaron A. Malik Secondary School. Dear learners, today we discussed from our English first paper, class 10, unit 7, lesson 1. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আশা করি তোমরা আমাদের সাথে আছো। টুডেস টপিকস হেডলাইন: জয়নুল আবেদিন দি গ্রেট আর্টিস্ট। শিক্ষার্থীরা, লিচনটি পড়ার আগে আমাদের কিছু শব্দ জেনে নেওয়া উচিত, সেহেতু আমি কিছু ওয়ার্ড বোর্ডে লিখে দিয়েছি। তোমরাও তোমাদের নোটবুক এবং কলম নিয়ে নাও, এই শব্দগুলো তোমরা আশা করি লিখে নেবে। At first, I read some vocabs. প্রথমত আমি শব্দগুলো পড়ে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা একটু শোনো। পাইনিয়ার, অগ্রদূত, ইনভেন্টর, ইনোভেটর, অ্যাক্লেইম, সাধুবাদ দেয়া, প্রেজ হাইডি, স্কেলেটাল, কঙ্কালসার, অফ স্কেলেটন, কম্প্যাশন, করুণা, সিম্প্যাথি, নেক, দক্ষতা, স্কিল, আউটস্ট্যান্ডিং, অসাধারণ, এক্সেলেন্ট, পর্ট্রে, প্রতিকৃতি আঁকা, ভিজুয়ালি, ভিশনারি, কাল্পনিক, ফুল অফ ফ্রাইটেড। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, এই শব্দগুলো তোমাদের অবশ্যই টেক্সটটি পড়ার আগে জেনে নেওয়া উচিত। আশা করি তোমরা শব্দগুলো ভালোভাবে শিখবে, তাহলে আমরা টেক্সটটি সহজেই বুঝতে পারব। নাও আই রিড দিস টেক্সট। এখন আমি পাঠটি পড়ছি, তোমরা মনোযোগ সহকারে শোনো। জয়নুল আবেদিন দি গ্রেট আর্টিস্ট, the pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Jainul Abidin is widely acclaimed for his Bengal famine sketches. Through the series of sketches, Jainul not only documented the harsh famine of 1943 but also showed its sinister face through the skeletal figures of the people destined to die of starvation in a man-made plate. He depicted these extremely shocking pictures with human compassion. He made his own ink by burning charcoal and used cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. Using the ink and applying the brush where necessary, he produced the drawings and sketches which later became iconic image of human suffering. Jainul Abidin a knack for drawing and painting when he was a high school student. After completing high school, he took admission in the Government School of Art, Calcutta. He graduated with the first position in first class in 1938. He was appointed a teacher of the art school while he was still a student there. He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951 to 52. Jainul Abidin is considered the following father of Bangladeshi art. He was an artist of outstanding talent and earned international reputation. For his artist and visionary qualities, he is referred to as a Shilpacharya, meaning great teacher of art in Bangladesh. He was the first principal of the first art school in Dhaka. in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. He organized the Nawanno Harvesting exhibition in 1969. The exhibition included a 65-feet long scroll painting portrayed the rural East Pakistan in phases from abundance to poverty. This intensified the exhibition was symbolic of the Bengali artist's protest and a milestone in our struggle for cultural and political freedom. Janus dynamite style of work is evident in a 30-feet long scroll painting called Manpura, which was done to commemorate the death of hundreds and thousands of people in the devastating cyclone of 1970. He designed the pages of the Constitution of Bangladesh. He founded the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon and also Jainul Abidin Sangrohshala, a gallery to his own works in Mymensingh in 1957. The river Brahmaputra played a vital role in his paintings and was a source of inspiration all through his career. Much of his childhood was spent near the scenic river Brahmaputra. A series of watercolors that Jainul did as his tribute to the river earned him the government's gold medal in All India exhibition in 1938. This was the first time that he came into the spotlight, and this award gave him the confidence to create his own visual style. Jainul Abidin was born in Kishoreganj on 29 December 1940 and died in Dhaka on 28 May 1976. Dear students, টেক্সটটি আমি তোমাদেরকে পড়ে দিলাম, তোমরা বাড়িতে পড়বা এবং এখান থেকে আমাদের পরীক্ষায় যেভাবে প্রশ্ন আসতে পারে আমি তোমাদেরকে সেরকম কিছু উদাহরণ তুলে ধরছি। এখান থেকে আমাদের প্রশ্ন থাকতে পারে, চুজিং দি বেস্ট কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার